for angel shark. Angel shark, angel shark. B is for barracuda. Barracuda, barracuda. C is for cookie cutter shark. Cookie cutter shark, cookie cutter shark. D is for dogfish. Dogfish, dogfish. E is for electric eel. Electric eel, eel. F is for frogfish. Frogfish, frogfish. G is for great white shark. Great white shark, great white shark. H is for hammerhead. Hammerhead, hammerhead. I is for Indian mackerel. Indian mackerel, Indian mackerel. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for killer whale. Killer whale, killer whale. L is for leopard shark. Leopard shark, leopard shark. M is for moray eel. Moray eel, moray eel. N is for needlefish. Needlefish, needlefish. O is for orca. Orca, orca. P is for pike. Pike. Q is for queen snapper. Queen snapper, queen snapper. R is for reef shark. Reef shark, reef shark. S is for swordfish. Swordfish, swordfish. T is for tiger shark. Tiger shark, tiger shark. U is for urchin eater. Urchin eater, urchin eater. V is for viperfish. Viperfish, viperfish. W is for wagong, wagong. X is for Cepheus, swordfish. Cepheus. Y is for yellowtail. Yellowtail. C is for zebra shark. Zebra shark.